It's January 27th over here in East Windsor, Connecticut, and we just received another 12 inches of snow, making this 57 inches of snow for the year, which completely obliterates the old record set in 1945 of most snow in a month. Now walking to the back here, this is a little trail we made to the garbage. And on the roof you can see, looks like about 30 feet of snow there on one spot. Got to clear that off. There's the snow from all month piled up. There's our grill. Just a mess out here. Probably the worst winter in terms of snow anybody in living memory can remember. Gutters falling off from the ice. There's damage from the blizzard in late December. Haven't been able to get up there and get it. Here's a better look at the roof snow. A lot of snow this winter.